Yeah, yeah, hi. Good afternoon to everybody. Today we can discuss Java interview questions with Wipro. One of my colleagues has attended one interview with Wipro. So I want to discuss what area they have asked and what type of questions they have asked. These many questions they have asked. Exactly these questions only. Okay, these 12 questions. Probably it is 45 minutes they have asked, right? Let I can discuss here. What is the first question? Convert a hash map to array list. Here, convert hash map to array list. It is probably they won't ask any specific values or keys or intercept. They has not asked probably exactly. That's the reason you should explain both key values and uh, get the keys and get the values and get the key value pairs. Okay, that's where you can discuss them, and you will implement one program as well like this. Okay, here this is the program. I am created one constructor, but hash map, integer, string, and map, and new hash map, right? The map dot put here one comma a, map dot put two comma b, and map dot put three comma c. These are the things we are adding inside the map, okay, by using the put method. Key value pair, okay, is the hash map is the key value pair, right? That's the reason we are adding by using the put method. We are adding inside the hash map, okay, and converting the keys only, converting keys into array list, okay. Here array list integer keys, right? That's the reason I am taking the integer keys and new array list, okay, and map dot key set. This key set will convert the, it will get the keys only from map, okay, from map. Simply you can write this code, okay, this one line of code enough to get the array, keys. And second one, the convert the values, okay, this convert the values to array list from hash map to array list, okay. Here array list string values, here what is that string? String is nothing but it is the value of the data types, okay, and values is equal to new array list and map dot values. This map dot values means it will get the, this method will get the values from the hash map, okay, from the hash map. And next one is the array list. Its whole data I need to fetch, okay, I need to fetch like map dot put or whatever it is I added, right? It is I need to key value pair as well. That's the reason I'm creating one more constructors here. Array list map dot entries entry, okay, map dot entry and integer string. Here entries, right? And the new array list and map dot entry set. Here by using the entry set, we'll get that all the element from the map or hash map. Okay, only you need to, they have asked only for keys means map dot key set, or values means it is a map dot values, or entry set or entries or key value pair you can use map dot entry set. That's enough. That's it. Okay, that's all about the hash map related thing. Okay, first question is completed. And second question, how can create a custom immutable class? Here custom immutable class they have asking, right? The immutable class means it cannot be changed in the features, okay. Now it cannot be changed in the feature by using the final keyword. Let I will explain that also here. Here taken the final class immutable, whatever it is immutable class created. In the class level you can put one final keyword. The final keyword what will do, final keyword it will cannot be override, okay, cannot be override, sorry, cannot be inherit any other class. That's the reason we are putting in the class level final. And private final int id and private final string name, these are the fields, and these fields can't be changed in the feature. That's the reason I put the private and final keywords, okay. In the future we can't, we are not change in the future, okay. And here This whatever it is fields is there, right? These fields you need to initialize by using the constructor. That constructor is public immutable. Here integer id comma string name. This dot id is equal to id. This dot name is equal to name. Okay, these two variables we introduce. If you more than two, you can add here as well. Okay, and inside the immutable class, it will not getting any. We are not setting any id, or the set method is we are not using because the set method is don't have any immutable class. Okay, only we have the only get method. That get method, by using the get method we can get the get id and set id, set name. Okay, sorry, get name. That's it. Okay, here we are not using, we did not using any um, uh, setter methods. Okay, we are not using any setter methods. We are using only getter methods. Okay, we are using getter methods. That is not immutable path. That's about it. This interview questions is all it is some of the interview will ask, but he is the it is probably 6 years of experience he has. So this level question they have asked. Okay, this is for useful for research as well. Okay, research as well. Some of the interviewer will ask these questions for the research as well. Okay, it is applicable for all pressure to express as well. Okay, and here third one is using lambda expression functional interfaces, write a program of square number. By using the lambda expression and functional interface, you need to write the one program that is a square number. Here what he is covering two topics: lambda expression and functional interfaces, right? That lambda expression and functional interfaces, by using functional interfaces, you can create one program as well. Okay, that functional interfaces, that's also I created one program as well. Okay, interface square. Okay, it is a square and int calculate int x. Here passing the integer x. This is the abstract methods, right? This is the interface. Square is the interface. What type of interface? This interface is a functional interface because functional interface has only one abstract method. Okay. If it is more than one abstract method, JVM will what will do? JVM will get that exception. Okay. Runtime exception. Sorry, compile time exception will get. Okay. That is the reason we are using the exact functional interface at interface level. Okay. This annotation will identify what type of exception that how many abstract methods that has. Okay, functional interface is nothing but functional interface is nothing but functional interface has only one abstract method. Okay, that also we can call a sham interface as well. Well, here functional, again I am creating one main method by using the functional lambda expression class. Okay, that is public class lambda expression example and public static void main string args. Here whatever I created that interface I am taking here the square is equal to here taking that x, whatever it is the integer, right? Integer that by using the integer we are applicable or we are apply here that lambda expression x, lambda expression x into x means here whatever it is the actual logic is passing only the lambda expression. Okay, and here sysout, where the printing the sysout inside the sysout is the square of pi only we are printing, that is square dot calculate. Well, what is that calculate? Calculate is the abstract method of that abstract methods, right? Abstract method calculate. That's the reason we are printing 25 because of we are passing 5. That's the reason we are printing 25. Or you can like this also. It will print 100. Okay, that's that's it. That's it. That is the functional interface by using the lambda expression. We written one example as well. Okay. This is the third question. And fourth question: how to save the string in string constant pool? How to save the string in string constant pool? First of all, you should know that what is the string constant pool. That string constant pool is the special memory inside the heap memory. Okay, heap memory that has a string constant pool. The string constant pool store the strings. Okay, store the strings like below, like there, like this. Like this it will show. For example, string s is equal to new string. I am passing hello. Hello. This hello store the inside the string constant pool. Okay. I want to open print paint as well. This is the heap memory. This is the heap memory, and this is the heap memory, and this is the string. Oh, what is that, man? This is the string constant pool, and this is the heap memory. Okay, this is the heap memory. This is the string constant pool. Okay, this is string constant pool means here hello. Here hello is there, right? This is the heap memory. Heap memory. HM. Okay, this is the heap memory, and this is the string constant pool. Whatever it is giving here, whatever it is passing that by using the keyword, new keyword, it will storing inside the string constant pool. String constant pool it will store in. Okay, and it will give the s1 as well. Okay, here s1 it will give in s1. Suppose you need to passing again one s2 as well, that JVM will identify. What will identify? That whatever it is passing hello inside the constant pool or not. If it is inside the constant pool, it will get the it is it will get the reference of that it will get the reference of the string constant pool. Okay, that is s2. This is s2. What is happening? What is happening here? The memory optimization will increase it by using the dot intern method as well. Okay, by using the dot intern method, it will store it inside the directly inside the string constant pool as well. Okay, inside the string constant pool. That's the reason we are assigning them. Okay, like that we can assign. Yeah, that's all about. That's all about fourth question. And what is the fifth question? In singleton design pattern, how can create a control multiple threads or double checked locking? This double checked locking we can control by using the synchronized keyword by synchronized block or synchronized method by using the synchronized block or synchronized method we can control like. Okay, we can control like. I need to create one singleton design pattern like this. This is the singleton design pattern. Okay, I created the singleton class and private static volatile and singleton instance here. Okay, singleton. What is that volatile? I will discuss later. Uh, yeah, and here private singleton. Private singleton means that that whatever it is that constructor is on can't be allow can't be allow. Hmm. No, can't be allow outside of the class. Okay, outside of the class can't be allowed by using the private singleton constructor. Okay, and here one in the public static singleton instance method what is happening by using the if of instance equal to null. What is that? It is the if of instance is equal to null, it will get that synchronized. If it is multiple thread it has, but it will allow only one thread at a time. It is a thread shape. Okay, it is converting into thread shape. And singleton dot class. This is we are passing singleton dot class. Again, if instance is equal to null, that instance is null won't create. If it is not null, it will create again by using the new singleton. That is that's all about it. And return the instance. Okay, that's it. But what is the volatile? That volatile keyword in the Java as a modifier. It is a modifier variable. Okay, it is ensure that visible of ordering of change those variables across the threads in multi-threaded environment. Okay, it is a part of the Java memory model. Java memory model, and here volatile is the made whenever it is the change has occurred in the threads, it will automatically update the thread values. Okay, it will always read the volatile keyword only main memory. Okay, not local cache. It will always run the read the memory from the main memory. Okay, that is the reason we are using the volatile keyword. Volatile keyword. When multi-threaded environment is there, then we can automatically update the value and automatically update the value and won't read the cache memory. You need to read from main memory. That's the reason we are using the volatile keyword. That's and no mutual execution by using this volatile and no reordering. Okay, only for single variables. Okay, volatile keyword the individual variable, not compound operators like increment multiple level. It is increment or checked then active there, right? Operations like that. It will won't do anything in program. That's about the fifth question. And sixth question, how can I get a byte stream in object in synchronized? What he has asked? What he has asked? He has asked like he has asked like it's the synchronization, right? That synchronization comes to the Java.io package. And here, my synchronizer, how we can achieve by using the synchronization, it is the object output stream by using the object, sorry, the object input stream and object output stream class is there, right? Object input stream and object output stream that has a method that is object read and object write methods. By using them, we can achieve the synchronization. I don't know why it is happening. Hmm. Hmm. Here, here also we has one created that is sixth one, right? I think sixth one or seventh one. Yeah, sixth one. Sixth one also we have created one method that is it is not method is the block. Okay, synchronized block. We are passing object and byte array output stream. Byte stream is equal to new byte array output stream. Okay, and byte in object output stream is equal to new object output stream. We are passing a byte stream and byte stream. Okay, and here object stream dot write object, that write object by using the write object write that read the data from database or whatever it is. Okay, and here however here what has happening byte array bytes is equal to byte stream dot 2 byte array, it is converting like that. Okay, yeah, that way we can achieve, yeah, sixth one is completed. And seventh one, string why immutable. String is why immutable. Yeah, this is the typical question. Okay, string is here the string related thing asked. Okay, it is fourth one. Again, seventh one is covering the string why it is immutable. Yeah, string is a why is immutable means the string has a security, synchronization, security and synchronization, caching and thread safety. Synchronization or thread safety is same. And so why is this security? Security means prevent the unauthorized modification. Okay, it is an unauthorized modification to string used in the security sensitive operations. Example, file path, like that. And catching is a string. Give me a few minutes. Give me a few minutes. Yeah, sorry to inconvenience has happened. Okay. Uh, now we want to start. Which question we discussed? We have discussed. I think it's the immutable, right? It is the seventh question, right? I think seventh question. Yeah, it is seventh question is probably completed. Okay, so seventh question is probably completed, and the eighth question. Eighth question: what are the design pattern implemented in your project? So you can immediately you can ask the interviewer. Uh, you are asking about like that. Like you can ask. You are asking about Java design pattern or microservices design pattern. If you said Java design pattern, you can explain Java design pattern. Like we implemented in our project so many design patterns. Among that, we had singleton design pattern for the shared configuration. Okay, only shared configuration or services, and factory design pattern to create an instance of dynamically, and a builder design pattern for constructing a complex object. Okay, and observer for the event driven systems, and decorator for adding a functionality dynamically. These like this you can explain. Okay, that's all about the design pattern implementation in our project. And what is the ninth question? List out the predefined functional interfaces. List out the predefined functional interfaces. It is in the Java 8. Okay, that has a so many predefined functional interfaces like predicate by predicate, consumer by consumer, supplier, and function by functions. Also, we can explain about the predicate. What is the predicate and how many internally how that method has a method, right? The predicate method has a predicate functional interface has a method as well. That is the functional interface method, one single abstract method, right? That's the reason we can explain like that. Okay, and how many ways create the object in Java? How many ways create the object in the Java means you can create the Java. Five ways we can create the object in Java. Okay, five ways you can create the object in Java. That is one way is by using the new keyword. By using the new keyword, you can create. Okay, and another one is the reflection API. That reflection API dot class dot for name. Okay, dot new instances like that we can create. And third one is the clone method. Okay, object dot clone method, and fourth one is serialization, deserialization, and fifth one is factory methods or dependency injection framework. Like that we can create in our application. And tenth question: how can create a single? How can create a string in Java? How can create a string in? Yes. How many ways create a string? What is that? How many create? Sorry. How can create a string in Java? Okay. How can create a string in Java? Create a Java means who can create the most probably developers should know only two ways create. Okay. What is the by using the new keyword and by using the string literal, and another one is also is there, that is the character they can convert into the string array. That also we can create. Okay. Sorry, string array can convert into the character array. Character. That also we can create. Okay. That is the three types. And what are the Java 8 features? Yeah, Java 8 features that has a lambda expression, stream API, functional interfaces, default and static method implementation in the interfaces, and optional class and new data API, natural JavaScript engine, and parallel streams, and optional special iterator for each method, base encoder and decoder, base 64 encoder and decoder, and the method reference, constructor reference. Okay, and that also is the garbage collector also changed, right? And garbage collector implementation done in Java 8, and also collection improvement also done in the Java 8. Like that, you can explain them. These are these questions has asked in the Java questions asked as some of them, few of my colleagues. My colleagues was attended with the wipro interview. Okay, they have asked these questions. Okay, if it is if it is you also you have the wipro interviews. Okay, it is useful for your reference. Okay, for your reference, this is useful for experienced as well as freshers as well. Freshers also. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much.